Don't forget to subscribe and like and share now.
1. Give up, meaning, to stop doing something. Example, he gave up smoking to live a healthier life. 2. Give in, meaning, to stop resisting, to surrender. Example, she gave in after a long argument with her parents. 3. Give out, meaning, to distribute something. Example, the volunteers gave out food to the poor. 4. Give away, meaning, to donate or give something for free. Example, he gave away his old clothes to charity. 5. Give off, meaning, to emit a smell, light, or heat. Example, the roses gave off a pleasant smell. 6. Give back, meaning, to return something. Example, please give back my notebook tomorrow. 7. Give over, meaning, to transfer control or responsibility. Example, she gave over the keys to the new manager. 8. Give in to, meaning, to yield or surrender to something like temptation. Example, he gave in to the urge to eat ice cream. 9. Give it up for, meaning, to applaud or cheer for someone. Example, let's give it up for the band performing tonight. 10. Give way, meaning, to collapse or break under pressure. If you don't understand something or want to learn something new, write it in the comment box. I'll make sure to reply and try to create a video for you. 1. Look after, meaning, to take care of someone or something. Example, she looks after her younger brother while their parents are at work. 2. Look for, meaning, to search for something. Example, I'm looking for my keys, have you seen them? 3. Look forward to, meaning, to feel excited about something in the future. Example, I'm looking forward to the holidays. 4. Look up, meaning, to search for information in a book or online. Example, I looked up the word in the dictionary. 5. Look into, meaning, to investigate or examine something. Example, the police are looking into the case. 6. Look out, meaning, to be careful or watchful. Example, look out, there's a car coming. 7. Look over, meaning, to quickly examine or review something. Example, the teacher looked over the homework before class. 8. Look back on, meaning, to think about the past. Example, she looked back on her school days with fondness. 9. Look down on, meaning, to think someone is less important or inferior. Example, he looks down on people who don't have a college degree. 10. Look up to, meaning, to admire or respect someone. Example, many young players look up to famous athletes. 1. Take off, meaning, to remove something close or for a plane to leave the ground. Example, he took off his shoes before entering. Example 2. The plane took off at 5 p.m. 2. Take up, meaning, to start a new activity or hobby. Example, she took up painting during the holidays. 3. Take in, meaning, to understand something or allow someone to stay in your home. Example, I couldn't take in all the information at once. Example 2. They took in a stray dog. 4. Take over, meaning, to take control or responsibility. Example, she took over the family business after her father retired. 5. Take out, meaning, to remove something or to go on a date. Neil. Example, he took out his wallet. Example 2. He took her out for dinner. 6. Take back, meaning, to return something or admit a mistake. Example, I took back the shoes because they didn't fit. Example 2. I take back what I said earlier. 7. Take down. Meaning, to write something or remove something from a higher position. Example, please take down the notes. Example 2. They took down the old posters. 8. Take after. Meaning, to resemble a family member. Example, she takes after her mother in looks and behavior. 9. Take on. Meaning, to accept responsibility or a task. Example, he took on too much work and got stressed. 10. Take two. Meaning, to begin to like someone or something. Example, the baby took to the new nanny right away. 1. Put on, meaning, to wear clothes or accessories. Example, he put on his coat and left the house. 2. Put off, meaning, to postpone or delay something. Example, they put off the meeting until next week. 3. Put out, meaning, to extinguish a fire, light, etc. Example, the firefighters put out the fire quickly. 4. Put up with, meaning, to tolerate or accept something unpleasant. Example, I can't put up with this noise anymore. 5. Put away, meaning, to return something to its proper place. Example, please put away your books after studying. 6. Put down, meaning, to insult or criticize someone. Example, stop putting me down in front of others. 7. Put up, meaning, to provide accommodation or display something. Example, can you put me up for the night? Example 2. They put up a poster on the wall. 8. Put across, meaning, to communicate an idea clearly. Example, he put across his point very well in the meeting. 9. Put through, meaning, to connect someone on the phone or make someone experience something difficult. Example, I'll put you through to the manager. Example 2. She was put through a lot during training. 10. Put in for, meaning, to apply for something like a job or request. Example, he put in for a promotion last week. Want a quiz for these as well? Awesome. Here's your put phrasal verb quiz. Fill in the blanks with the correct phrasal verb from the list below. Use correct form. Put on, put off, put out, put up with, put away, put down, put up, put across, put through, put in for.
One, turn on. Meaning, to start a machine or device. Example, she turned on the TV to watch the news. 2. Turn off. Meaning, to stop a machine or device. Example, please turn off the lights when you leave the room. 3. Turn up. Meaning, to arrive unexpectedly or increase volume. Example, he turned up late to the meeting. Example 2, can you turn up the music? 4. Turn down. Meaning, to reject an offer or decrease volume. Example, she turned down the job offer. Example 2, please turn down the volume. 5. Turn around. Meaning, to change direction or improve something. Example, he turned the car around and drove back. Example 2, the company turned around its performance last year. 6. Turn in. Meaning, to go to bed or to submit something. Example, I'm tired. I think I'll turn in early tonight. Example 2, he turned in his homework on time. 7. Turn out. Meaning, to result in a certain way or attend an event. Example, the event turned out to be a big success. Example 2, thousands turned out for the concert. 8. Turn over. Meaning, to flip or to give control, responsibility to someone. Example, turn over the page to continue reading. Example 2, he turned over the business to his son. 9. Turn against. Meaning, to stop supporting someone or something. Example, the public turned against the politician after the scandal. 10. Turn to. Meaning, to go to someone for help or advice. Example, when she was in trouble, she turned to her best friend for support.
If you don't understand something or want to learn something new, write it in the comment box. I'll make sure to reply and try to create a video for you.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Like and share now.